Okay, this is our first lesson on the atmosphere, and today we're going to be more focused on the composition of the atmosphere and what kind of goes on, and in the next lesson we're going to learn about the layers. So the objectives for today is I will describe the composition of the Earth's atmosphere. I will compare and contrast the layers of the atmosphere, and I will describe the relationship between air pressure, temperature, and altitude. And that first and third bullet is really what we are focusing on in this lesson. Okay, so what is the atmosphere? It is the mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth. So, you look up into space and all you see up to about the clouds. So what you mainly can see is like the troposphere, because that's where we live. But if you look up and beyond, that is the atmosphere, all of the gases that surrounds Earth. In the atmosphere, all of these gases are held around the Earth by gravity. Gravity pulls these air molecules closer to the Earth. Okay, so what is in the atmosphere? What are these gases? If you look in the pie chart to the left, you'll notice that nitrogen makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere. That's a big chunk. And then oxygen, what we need, is around 21%. Then you've got other gases that kind of make up, 0.1. Argon is 0.9%, and carbon dioxide is 0.03%. So your main one is made of mostly nitrogen, 78%, and oxygen, 21%. You need to know these numbers. And these gases are constantly being used and renewed by the process of respiration, photosynthesis, evaporation and condensation, the weathering of rock, and the decay of organic matter. And we're going to talk a lot about these processes this year if you don't know already. These are constantly being renewed. Air pressure, big concept, okay? You need to know that air pressure refers to the weight of the Earth's atmosphere pressing down on the surface on everything at the surface. So air pressure is all around us, and this pressure is created in part by gravity. Okay, and this is what you need to know. Okay, look at this screen. Air pressure decreases as altitude increases. So what that means is as you go up in the atmosphere, we live down here in the troposphere. So as you go up, the pressure is going to decrease, and that is because there are fewer molecules as you go up. Because remember, gravity pulls these air molecules down. So as you go up, there's not as many. So air pressure decreases as altitude increases. Know it. Okay, temperature also changes as you go up, but this is a little bit different. And if you know one, you're going to know the rest because there's a pattern. So, and the composition of the atmosphere affects it. So as you go up in the troposphere, it is going to decrease. And I told you guys, I went skydiving, and as you go up in the troposphere, it gets really, really cold. So if you ever go skydiving, make sure you wear that suit because it's cold up there. The stratosphere is going to get warmer as you go up because of the ozone layer. The mesosphere is going to get colder. It is our coldest layer. We'll learn that. And then the thermosphere is going to get warmer. So if you know the layers and you know the troposphere gets colder, the rest is easy. It's a pattern. It gets colder, then warmer, then colder, then warmer. And that is it.